Hey guys, this is mjavedva with another tutorial whether how you can connect your Instagram account with your Facebook page. Well, linking your Instagram account to a Facebook page provides a centralized platform to manage your contents on both platforms. You can create a scheduled post for both platforms simultaneously, saving time and effort in content creation and distribution. Anyhow, this is my Instagram account that I want to connect with my Facebook page. So log into your Facebook account and select a page you want to connect your Instagram account with under your profile. Then go to its main page and under settings, select linked accounts. Here you will have an option to connect your Instagram account. And remember, it's clearly mentioning that a personal Instagram account cannot be connected. If you connect a personal Instagram account, it will convert it into a professional account. So make sure which account you want to connect. And I will mention the link of my tutorial in the description where you can see whether how you can convert your Instagram account to a professional account. Check it out and convert your Instagram account to a professional account. Anyhow, click on Connect Account and it will let you know that you will have access to these features. Just click on Connect and then on Confirm. Then it will open a pop-up window where you need to give your login credentials. Since I have blocked pop-ups, just click on Options and change the settings if you want. But I'm selecting this option which will open it once. Now give your login credentials and click on Login. And if you want to save your login info, just click on Save Info. Since I don't want to, I'm clicking on Not Now. And here you can see that your Instagram account has just been connected with your Facebook page. And then just click on Done. And this is how you can connect your Instagram account with your Facebook page. And if you have stayed this far, please consider supporting by liking, subscribing, and sharing your thoughts in the comments section. And I hope this will be helpful for someone out there. And thanks for watching.